Thanks for joining us here today, going over the brand new 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini. That is a 2306 BHS. Going to have double over double bunks there, big dinette there on a slide also, and they're going to have a Murphy bed. So we're going to be able to see how much room, once that Murphy bed's packed up with the sofa there, that you're going to be able to save without having a permanent bed. Also going to be a bigger SUV, half-ton towable there, dry weight about 4,500 pounds. Also going to be coming in here at about 25 feet 8 inches, including your tongue. So also going to be tandem axle, so we'll kind of see how much that opens up also. Hi guys, Nathan Anderson. I appreciate you tuning in here today. We're going to be going over the brand new 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini. That's a 2306, so you're going to have double over double bunks. We'll get to that though here. We're going to do a quick walk around on the exterior. Already noticed the power tongue jack. You guys will just press a button there, run it up and down to your tow vehicle. No more cranking. Also going to have two 20-pound propane tanks in here. You guys will have the auto switchover valve in the center. That way if you guys run out of propane in one tank, automatically kicks it over to the other one, especially in the middle of the night, something like that. You guys don't have to worry about it. Right over here to the side of the unit, automatically already notice you guys have the magnet captures there. Little black pieces of the grabber there that will hold the door on some traditional units and other units here that are going to be in this size. Those black clips get cold, get hot, and they tend to break off. Don't have to worry about that with the magnet. Super easy to use. Also, pass-through storage the whole entire length of the front unit, and it's also sealed to your guys' living quarters. You put something stinky in here, small portable generator or anything like that, those smells aren't going to go up there to the living quarters. Over here is going to be your guys' operation there for your power jacks. Those will run up and down like you see with the press of a button. And you guys still have the manual override there. You can put a socket on it, run them up and down manually if your power motors ever tend to fail. Over here, walking down towards the back of the camper here, guys, we'll have the aluminum fold-up style kind of steps here on it. Water heater controls, guys, pop that open. You guys can bypass it, light your pilot light if the auto doesn't kick in there. Also going to have a spray port here. That is going to be for your guys' hose there, spray out pots, pans, maybe spray off a muddy dog, something like that. This will be for a Picatinny rail. You guys will have a little small griddle there that can connect to that. Also going to have a spot there to store a prepping table that will hook to the side of the camper so you guys can prep your food. Backer location, that's where you guys can install your own TV bracket. You maybe pick up there at like a Walmart or something like that. You guys will have an outdoor TV that can hook up here. 110 outlets there for TV, other appliances, cable inlet there so you guys can watch the big game there on that weekend. Metal wheel well liners, very important to me if you guys have a blowout. The traditional plastic flappy ones on some lower priced units, those tend to blow completely out when you guys have a tire blowout. No need to worry about that. Also have a knobby aggressive off-road tires if you guys are going to be doing any boondocking, camping off the trail, so to say. The axle lift that also comes standard on this will help you kind of get some clearance over some rocks or bad terrain. Also, kind of above that here, you guys are going to have two exterior speakers. You guys can control the zones with those speakers, control if they play inside, outside, or both. Also going to have your whole entire awning will be lit with LEDs. Back half of the camper over here, again, more controls for your guys' power stab jacks. Big bumper here for storage for your guys' sewage hose. Keep the smell in the back of the camper, that way you guys don't have to worry about it. Spare tire, again, a unit this size comes standard with a spare tire. Typically that's an add-on there from different manufacturers. Outdoor shower, unlike the one that spray port on the other side, this one will have hot and cold knobs if you guys tend to use those a lot. Rear ladder, again, camper this size, different manufacturers. They don't come standard. They're an add-on or they don't have them. Very nice to get on top of the roof there, service your guys' AC unit, wash off the top of the slide if there's any debris on top of it. Right here, centralized hookup location, satellite, park cables, shoreline power connection there. And a cool thing I do like about this bunkhouse kind of style, you guys will have the double over double bunks, but you have a baggage door. If you guys don't have a person sleeping in this, or you guys are traveling down the road, you can actually lift this bunk up, secure it, and you guys can have all this as storage with a door that's easy to access that storage. Right here, now the inside of the trailer here, appreciate you sticking with me. Going over the 2306 BHS again. Will be a Murphy bed, so we're going to be able to see how much room when this is folded up of living space that you guys do get with the Murphy setup. Again, a bunch of overhead storage here on the Micro Mini. Plug-ins, maybe charge electronics up there, cameras, his and hers wardrobes. You guys will have hangers clear up in there for hang clothes up. If you guys do hang your clothes and do not fold them. More storage. Flat CPAP storage possibly underneath it if you need it. 2 USBs and 2 110 plug-ins on both sides of the bed there, guys. All right, here now to the kitchen side of the things here, guys. First thing I notice, camper this size, I mean, this is a giant sink, farmhouse style. That's going to be a stainless steel also. Your guys' faucet will pull down there, spray out big pots and pans, deep overhead storage, LED mushroom lights that you guys can turn off and on and choose which ones come on with the switches. Tons of storage underneath it, drawers for utensils, silverware, whatever you guys want to do there. Also going to have a convection style microwave. Do not have a traditional oven. This will handle all of that. Plus you're not using propane. If you're a big boondocker, that's going to be very important for you. 3 style cook piece here. Yeah, you guys, stainless steel grates there that will lift up. You guys can wipe out all of the mess. Super easy to clean. Backsplash folds up. That will be for protection there against the back. Super easy to clean off. Again, more storage underneath the oven. You guys will be completed there with a 12-volt style refrigerator. So if you guys opt for like a solar panel that comes standard there on this trailer, you guys are going to be able to power this fridge if you're boondocking, and this fridge will also run while you guys are going down the road. All right, guys, over here to the dinette. That's going to be, of course, on a slide. Open up your living quarters there. This dinette style piece here that you guys would eat on, so to say, that will fold flat back. Couches here will go on top of that. More seating, more lounging space, sleeping space, whatever you guys want to do. Complete storage that opens up, and that storage will run all the way back to the slide wall. Fit a lot of stuff in there. Also, you guys will have a TV that comes standard with the unit. A lot of manufacturers in this small kind of category. You'd have to buy the TV separately. Above that's going to be your guys' Bluetooth stereo speaker, CD player. Control the speakers play inside, outside, both if you guys want. Touch-free charging station for your guys' cell phone. Drop your cell phone on there, charge it. Also going to have complete storage underneath there that runs all the way to the length of that wall. Alrighty here, guys, back of the camper, the double over double bunks, plenty long if you're taller. You also can pop your feet out a little bit if need be. Plenty of storage if you guys don't sleep in them. Also, you guys will have the baggage door that you can see there from the exterior, complete with 2 USBs there to charge your guys' cell phones. Alright here, guys, now to the bathroom here of this coach. You guys are going to have the traditional style foot flush toilet. Perfect location, feet aren't hanging out, complete with a bunch of storage behind that. Shower will be glass enclosure. Again, a unit this size, not something you see every day. Complete with a skylight above your head, about 6 more inches of clearance there for a taller guy. Also, medicine cabinet complete with a mirror that will open up. Tons of storage behind it. And a big thing here on this unit you kind of don't see every day, a stainless steel sink there in the bathroom. Typically a manufacturer would put a plastic one in there. Alrighty, thanks for sticking with me here today, guys. Again, my name is Nathan Anderson. Do have a sales team over here, 2 sales partners to take care of you guys if I'm not available. It's going to be Team Anderson 937-649-5823. Thank you, guys.